Hello art lovers, welcome back to our channel Create Art for Life. Today I'll be teaching you to make this beautiful and super easy Christmas tree postcard. So let's get started. First of all, you need a piece of paper or a card and cover the borders with a masking tape to secure the ends. You'll also need a round brush and your acrylic paints. Now starting off with blue, take blue and just cover the background, paint the background. Make sure your strokes are in one direction. It should always be horizontal and not vertical. In this one, if you've started off with horizontal strokes. And just like this, cover the entire background, the entire page. Once done, we'll take green acrylic paint and outline and make an outline of a Christmas tree. A rough outline would do, it would look beautiful once we are done at the end. And once you've done the outline, then just give a few strokes or vertical strokes inside, just like I'm doing. And you can add various shades if you have of green, like I'll be doing in a moment. I'll add some olive green. In the similar manner, I'll do the trunk as well. Moving ahead, we'll take some yellow and give a little shading in the same vertical strokes like the first time we gave for the inner filling. This adds life to the tree. And now time for some snow. So white for snow, similar white strokes. Also add some snow on the ground, some strokes in curves, and then define the tree further. This defines a Christmas tree and it looks proper. Then add some snowflakes here and there. Then it's time to add some colors to your tree, so decorate it with some red, yellow, orange balls or any color of your choice. I'm drawing circles, you can draw anything you like, any embellishments as well. And lastly, finish it off with a beautiful golden star. You can stick on a sticker as well, it will look prettier. And you're done. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like the video, and do share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.